Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
I am Rolin Sabalati, 38 years old. I have 3 children, 1 son and 1 daughter. I am married. And I am second year college in DEC Ed.
Okay, any experience abroad as a housemaid?
Yes, sir. In Singapore and Bahrain.
Okay, how long in Singapore?
3 years.
Okay, how many members in the house?
3.
Okay, who are they?
The wife and the husband and the 1 children.
Okay, the child, how old?
The child, 2 months.
Okay, how do you know the baby is sick?
Crying.
Okay, if you learn that the baby got sick, what you will do?
Carry and check the thermometer if she has a sick. And I need to go to my madam to ask.
Okay, how many years in Bahrain? In Middle East, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how long?
2 years.
Okay, how many members in the house?
7.
1 couple and 5 children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the eldest, how old?
28.
28. The youngest?
15.
Okay, how many housemaids in the house?
We have 2.
2. All is Filipina?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the main duties in the house?
Cleaning, washing, gardening, car washing, and especially the cooking.
Okay, do you think you are a good cook?
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay, how do you know you are a good cook?
Any kind of food, sir.
How do you know? Who said you are a cook?
My madam.
Oh, madam. Okay. When you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
I need to say sorry.
Okay, in case you're cooking in the kitchen, suddenly the employer wants you to go outside, what you will do?
I need to off the fire.
Okay, when you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you and shout with you.
No need to face off. We need to always say sorry.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. I am willing to work and I'm hardworking and trustworthy.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.